Hey there. The problem we have chosen for the course 2023 is Crisis of Lack in Education and Physical Hands-on Session. This aligns with the Sustainable Development Goal of number 4 and number 9. We are group Nano, right?
Education is a fundamental human right that enables personal and professional growth. Unfortunately, access to quality education and hands-on training is limited in development countries due to the lack of skilled trainers, inadequate resources, and natural disasters such as earthquakes. According to the World Bank, 262 million children and youth are not in school, and 617 million children cannot read or do basic math.
But we have a solution that can make a meaningful impact. We are developing an augmented reality application with 3 tiers customized for kids, teens, and trainers. The application includes ebooks or booklets that can be easily scanned with a smartphone camera. It provides an interactive learning experience with 3D models and animations, enabling hands-on learning without the need for physical equipment or trainers.
Our solution is unique for several reasons. It allows for innovative and interactive learning experience, combining traditional reading material with modern technology. It can be accessed remotely, making it particularly useful during lockdowns or social distancing measures. It can be customized for different age groups and learning levels, ensuring accessibility to a wide range of people.
Improving access to quality education and hands-on training is essential for sustainable development. According to UNESCO, 69 million teachers need to be recruited globally by 2030 to achieve quality education for all. Our solution aligns with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals of quality education and industry, innovation and infrastructure. It aims to make a meaningful impact in improving access to education and training opportunities worldwide.
With our augmented reality application, we can address the crisis of lack of education and physical hands-on session, particularly prevalent in development countries.
So join us in our mission to make a quality education and hands-on training accessible to all. Together, we can create a better future, everyone.